Welcome family. So why haven't I been uploading as much? First thing first, subscriber like DM me on Instagram and say, oh, what on? Really I drop videos and them things there. And it's true. So let me explain. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Well, that's it. Let's begin. Alright, so first things first, I have school. This is me just talking off of the top of my head, by the way. Not scripted, nothing. Just to tell you as is. So I think you guys deserve that much say. Saturday, I have school. I have 6 courses during this semester, and I'm doing a double major. Doing banking and finance and economics. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it rough. Like, it rough because I have mostly econ courses this semester, seeing as a bag of essay, bag of reading, and have some group work for another computer application. So just a bag of stuff. Matter of fact, I was studying. I'm just, you know, I'm just take a break and like just talk to the guys. Yeah, this is like me just I do some little chatting. This a monopolistic competition. What happens when price exceeds marginal cost and average cost? So yeah, I just put up something, show you some of the things them and the formulas and equations that we're doing in class, and then it just honestly it's ridiculous. And then on top of that too, I come home really late from class. Right now is 7:25. I'm just reach home and I'm actually leave early today because I have classes that go straight up to like 8 o'clock, and then from poppy in come all the way up home. Just know say it's just ridiculous. And of course you know say yo 10-2 turbo is what I use, so if no taxi or bus up on the road, stranded. So there is that. Second thing is I'm actually working, actually working. So I work from Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I go to school from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I have classes in the morning, and then from class I just go straight to work. I'm late for work late. There's some work. So it kind of just, you know, the hustle sometimes come, honestly, I'm just tired. It's not that I forget you guys, you know, it's just like, yeah, because I'm going to check my actual YouTube studio right now. And YouTube says the last time I posted a video was 21 days ago. That's what trans, and then we post a short like 8 days ago. So, I mean, it say, oh, I'm going to drop no videos in a March, though. She can get tricked, brother. Anyways, the other thing is I run 2 businesses. One is the clothing brand, which this is one I showed them. You can go buy it. Link always in my description. The clothing brand. I'm horrible at marketing. So anybody good at marketing and want a little gig, then can just DM me about that as well. The second business is something a bit more complex. You remember the video I did on the host project? That was also a part of it. That was like one of the first things. But I have a company with me and like 2 other persons, and basically like Eden would do angel investing, also the loans and some there and some other stuff that we can't talk about it because we're in the legal process of it right now. So I don't know, but it's just, you know, we need like get some legalities out of the way first before we can, like, you know, openly say it. So there is that. And so after all excuses them now, you have the last thing is actually making a video. If you notice at Jamaica right now, very few persons, actually I don't know anybody who actually animate in Jamaica at finance. Most persons just come, talk in front of the camera, call the day, and then yeah. But I know finance boring. So I'm kind of like, you know, spice up things a little bit, and it just don't sit well with me to like just talk in the camera and then just stop, because yeah, and sometimes you make a lot of mistakes, and you know, I don't like wasting people's time. Honestly, I don't like wasting people's time. I don't like people wasting my time. So if I can sit down and cut out all the mistakes them while making it entertaining for you guys, I'm going to do that. If you notice, I haven't been animating though, and there's 2 reasons to that. One, the turnover time for my videos get really long because for animate per minute, Gary estimate per minute to animate a video maybe is about half an hour. So if I do a 10-minute video, you know, that's about 15 hours, and me just sit down and animate straight. So there's that. The turnover is like, you know, kind of difficult. And then the other thing is the software expire. Like honestly, the software expire. I'm just not feel like pay for it right now. Easy me, because I'm not really use it anyways. So there's that. But outside of the animation that I'm currently not doing, there's the video process. So whenever I do like a stock review, it's not like I get my information from somewhere. I sit down and you know, I do my actual information, like actual research, because that was what I was doing for the last 2 years as an intern. So yeah. So I do my actual research. So my use Gleaners, the company financial statement, their social medias, etc. And then I actually go through everything. So make sure the information is correct, multiple references, multiple sources. And then now the other thing is now after that now I have to actually just, you know, script it in a way where it's fun outside of my personality. I'm come have a little bit of retardedness to it, to me, I guess. But outside of that, like I know finance is boring, so more ensure say yo when now watching at least have like a little, you know, experience or not enjoy watching it while also being informed. So that is one. That's like just, you know, researching about the company, knowing how it make money, rate. And then now you have the financials, which probably most people don't even reach the financials in them videos. But if you look at it, it's a lot of work because to extract the information, especially if I'm doing like 4 years of information, of extract each year information from the PDF document and convert it into Excel for like analyze it with the font. And there's some other things I've learned, and I'm gonna see it in the second video from this. So this will be 1, 2, 3, the third video. You'll see it in the third video. So yeah, that part takes a lot of time too. Arguably, sometimes when I do my research, I take 2 days, sometimes maybe 3, but depending on company. So it's good to like look at it and then just like come from it and then probably look back at it on another date, like just, you know, get like a second look, you know, like a fresh set of eyes, and then you can understand what is going on and like see if you made a mistake or and so now like the process of recording meaning yo sit down and me and talk to right now. And also because I'm actually research most of the information in my head, but I'm always on my phone from there like some jottings for say alright, right here somebody right here. So I'm chat enough and we just there at chat. Some kind of need, you know, little blinkers for, you know, yeah. So after recording, you know, you have like editing. So get example, let's say you watch a 15-minute video from me. Best believe that video was a 45-minute or 30-minute sit down and recording. So I'm cut out the pauses because I do talk and pause, like catch my thoughts. Also sometimes you just naturally make mistakes and you just cut it out. So then that take a very long time, like hours. And then no, the last thing, you know, like after it like cut up on everything, then this part me actually just animate the audio and then like overlay it. But since I was just assuming you're not the animation for now, then we just do some B-roll, the part where like I feel like you couldn't see my face too much now and you kind of get bored, then we just put in some B-roll or I explain something in particular and we just put that up. Like when I say trends, also the advertisement and it just put like when I drive on the tool and to show the dollar sign. So you know, things like those. So I have to plan around, like the script have to be planned around so that I can do those stuff as well. And then lastly, you know, music. I want to do sound effects, but then it's an issue. Trust me, is a lot of issues with that because I didn't take longer. Plus, I have the sound effect thing. So when maybe August or so, I'll probably hire editor for my 2,000 subscribers. Speaking of that, I have a celebration thing that I'm going to for you guys, but is later though. So yeah, I might get an editor just help me, and you know, you can start put out more videos and so on and so forth. But for now, I will just go and beard me. So as you can see, it's enough. Like I'm telling enough things. And me one, nobody can help me right now.
Wow, the pressure is getting worse.
Yeah, so I'm me one, so juggling school, work, business, this is life itself, and then you know the video. It's a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a lot. And not to worry, I've been working on scripts because I did do a poll and I asked which videos you guys like. Already do most of the research for the companies that are listing. I think it's about 13 companies or 10. So for show you enough. So yeah, that as well as I have the fact that we'll have Easter coming up. So you know which company. Wait, so we have Honey Bun review coming up, and then what else? Some check. How to invest your first 25k, and then we have some other stuff. So yeah, there is good news at the end because one school start girl, you know. So I'm gonna go home most days of the week, so that's good. We have time for study, yes. Plus, you know, can squeak in one video like I don't know. As well as me have time to edit it and can upload. So at least this month now I get like at least 4 videos. Don't want me to, but yeah, at least 4 videos when I get this month, and then yeah, definitely. Wait, plus I also stop work for the month. Come out, I need time to study. So I go study and do videos. So no, I'll wait for now, and then you know I'm on break. You know, me try to push more. I have some creative stuff the more I do, but let's see. I have plans for you guys. Yeah, that's my 2 cents. That's me explaining why I haven't been uploading a lot. So yeah, but honestly, right now I don't do YouTube for the money because at this rate, I'm not making the money. But I love talk about finance, but I also love giving people correct information and also making it fun. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. As always, love you guys. See you next week. Actually, see you next week. So yeah, so next week I'm gonna see my face again. As always, I have some shots coming up because for explain some of the stuff them that's going to come. Because yeah, it probably take really extra long if I have to sit down and explain it in the following video. So yeah, that's that. As always, love you guys. If you like, share, comment, subscribe to the friend, and yo, catch you in the next one. Peace. So don't play me. I just the dirty Casamigo. Don't yell at me not freak, yo. If you feel my right now, just wait till mommy shot. Live the life, you know. Well, my family, so why haven't I been uploading